Hey everyone. Surface irrigation is one of the most common types of irrigation in which water is carried over the surface of a crop field. One such type is called furrow irrigation, in which ditches called furrows are dug across the field and seeds are planted in between the ridges. Water is by pipes and poured out through the opening to the furrows. Suppose a farm has land surrounded by partially surrounded trees and only has enough pipe to set up a furrow as shown below. So basically, it's this one. That's your furrow. All right, that part there. Let me try to make it a little smaller. So, what possible values are for X? Now, basically, I guess what they're asking for is right in here, this length here. So AD is what we're looking for. What is that value? So we're going to use our triangle inequality theorem and use that 21 plus 34 has to be greater than X. So 55 is greater than X. Or we could say that X is less than 55. Now to get this other possible value, we're going to take our X here and add it to our 21. So X plus 21 has to be greater than 34. And again, that's by your triangle inequality theorem. This should be 21. So X, if you subtract 21 from both sides, X has to be greater than 13. So this is going to be 13 and then 55. Okay, what is the length of the furrow? So we're going to use our mid-segment theorem and know that this is going to be half of this total length. So that's going to be 17. All right. Could AD have a measure of 27? So are you going to do, this X is really your AD, so is 27 in between 13 and 55, and this is true. Also, if AB were lengthened, and I'm going to have to erase this because I don't know where AB is, so AB is here. If this were lengthened, so I'm going to draw it here, AB, and if I lengthen it, say to this, and this is C, this is your angle here, it says, what would the measure of ACB do? So if you lengthen it here, then the angle is going to increase. So you put I for that. And that's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.